Release 10 is our very last block in our Bloom-Topia quilt along. And today, Chelsea's going to show us how you make the block. Let's get started.
Hi, so today we're going to be working on Release 10, the Richmond block. Let's get started. Starting out, we're going to make our half square triangle units. You'll need a background square and a fabric square. First, you're going to draw a line corner to corner diagonally on the background square. Afterwards, you'll place these fabrics right sides together, and then you'll sew on the drawn line and trim 1/4 inch away. And then you'll have your half square triangle unit. You will need to have 4 half square triangle units. So next, you'll need to take your background squares and you're going to cut them diagonally, corner to corner, so that you have 2 triangles. You're going to need 16 triangles in all. So next, I'm going to show you our 4 patch. So you'll need 2 red squares and 2 yellow squares. You'll just sew these together in pairs, and then you'll sew those 2 sections together to make your 4 patch, and you will need 4 4-patch blocks. So next, you'll take the triangles that you cut in your 4-patch unit, and you're going to turn it from here to here, and then you're going to sew your triangles to this block. So first, you'll sew these 2, and then you'll press, and then you're going to sew these other 2 triangles to it to complete your Richmond block. And also, don't forget to trim your block as well. Okay, so now it's time to put our Richmond block together. You'll need your half square triangles, a center piece fabric, and your 4 patchwork blocks. So you're just going to sew 2 half square triangle units to one of your 4 patch blocks, and you'll do that the same for the top and the bottom. And then you'll sew 2 4-patch blocks to your center block. And after that, you'll sew all 3 rows together to complete your Richmond block. And once you're done, you'll have this beautiful finished Richmond block. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is so exciting because this is our very last block. And so now we're going to be on to the finishing in 2 weeks for Release 11. Thank you so much.